Dun dun dun. Okay, just gotta spam it. Bro, we have the same animations for touching our head. It's crazy. It's actually crazy, bro. Also, have you noticed that all the men are hung upside down while the chicks are hung up by their hands? Why is that?
Gotta
Oh,
focus.
is it because... Okay, they're boot. Okay, I see. Okay, never mind. Oh, nah. Get them ankles broken, son. See you later. Enter right back through here because he's stupid. He ain't gonna know. Oh! Fuck it. Oh, wait, he actually hit me. Nuts. Not good. Enter through here again, I'm out. There we go. Make him think I ran away when actually I'm just looping back around.
Hope this works.
Bro, he just won't leave. What are you gonna do, Leatherface? Can't touch this, son. I'm too slick with it. Peace. Okay, fine. You're really intent on staying there. I'll leave. Oh! Peace out, nerd. And he never expects to loop around. Idiot. And slide through here. I see keep finding me wherever I go, bro. This is not fair. Come on, any second now, bro. There we go. Let's get out of here, bro. Bro, he's been following me for an hour. What are you talking about? Don't be wasting your stamina, bro, Chacho. Let's just keep moving. I ain't no wuss. I'm walking. Okay, you see, I chose the perfect moment. Not, oh, bro, that she's dead, bro. I see Leatherface up there trying to mollywop her, bro. She's cooked. Ain't no way she's not cooked, bro. Dang. Let's get out of here. Stupid. Sliding through here. And make him think I already ran off, so I'm gonna loop back around. Oh, screw off. You are not touching me.
I knew they were here somewhere.
Stupid. Oh, I need an unlocking tool for this thing. Okay, fine. While he's doing that, I'm out. Wherever this goes, hopefully. This goes somewhere else. Man, this place is nice and pretty. You know, when you're not being hunted down and trying to get killed by cannibals, I guess.
Damn.
I always need a lockpick for everything, man. Like I can just bust out this window, but whatever. That? Oh, sick. Do I need a lockpick?
Gotta keep my eyes peeled.
Oh, I can just escape. I'm gonna have some fun with this one, bro. I'm gonna have fun with this one. And here comes Leather Loser. Come on, Leather Loser. Come on, bro. Bro, I deserve it. Dude, get them ankles broken, son. Get them ankles broken. I thought he was starting his chainsaw. I was wondering why it was taking him so long.
They're all over.
Through here now. Come on then, punk. Do something about it.
Where are the others?
Stupid. I just sit right here and then he'll lose me completely. And then I'm just gonna hide right here and he won't notice me. Let me look. Just don't move. Yep, he's an idiot. Look at him. Yep, there we go. Well, okay, now I've learned from my lesson. I've learned from my lesson, everybody. Oh, here he comes. Oh, God, here comes Leatherface, everybody. Oh, no. Oh, no, whatever will I do? Suck it, nerd. Sucks to suck. Yes, sir. Okay, maybe I might have been a little douchey with what I was doing, but hey, they're killer cannibal people. They deserve everything that's coming to them. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, everybody.